Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Ethelwolda Benavides, Filipino. I'm 28 years old. My religion is Christian. I have one child. My husband working as an account officer. I have one brother, and I am the second of the family.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
Sir, Madam, my duties and my responsibilities to my previous job are cleaning, washing, ironing of clothes, and taking care of children.
Do you have any experience to play games with kids?
Yes, Sir, Madam, like playing paper boat, Lego, and puzzle.
Do you know why the baby cries?
Yes, Sir, Madam, maybe the baby is sick, hungry, or the diaper is wet.
Do you cook?
Yes, Sir, Madam, I know how to cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes.
Can you tell us how to be a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, it must be honest, patient, and responsible.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, Madam, for the future of my child and to help my family.
Thank you, Ms. Benavides, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.